Hey Greta, for your discussion, you're on the right track about being on the axis, but let's take a look at an example of a graph. This one's kind of crazy. You probably won't run into anything like this, but you're right that they're on the axis, and specifically these are the points on the x-axis, okay? So let's go ahead and click on the points that are on the x-axis. Here, 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 and here. Now, what do these all have in common? We see that over here the x value is -2, whatever. This x value is -1, -0.5, 0.6. So the x values are all a number. But what about the y values here? That is what's most important. So when we're looking at a graph, the way to figure out what are your zeros is that they lie on the x-axis and all the y values are equal to 0. Okay, so you don't have to use an equation for anything, but if you see a graph, you know your zeros are on, it's where it touches the x-axis.